So, you just got the powerful new MacBook Neo? You plug in your external hard drive, SSD, or pen drive, and nothing. You can see your files, you can copy those to your Mac, but you can't add, copy, or install any new data to the drive from your Mac Neo. Pretty frustrating, but using two simple methods, I'm going to show you how to fix this without losing any data. The problem is your drive is in NTFS format, which is a Windows standard that Mac can't write to out of the box. The process I'm going to show you will erase all data from your external device. So, before you begin, make sure to take a backup if you want to retrieve your files later. If you want, you can copy all your data and simply paste it onto your MacBook. This might take a while, depending on how much data you have. Once that's done, open Spotlight Search and type in Disk Utility. Here, select your main external drive and click on the Erase button. Now, for the format, you can choose either Mac-compatible formats like APFS or macOS Extended, or go with exFAT if you want a universal option that works smoothly across macOS, Windows, and Linux devices. After that, you can rename the drive, and if you want, and make sure the GUID partition map is selected. Then, finally, click on Erase. Once the erase process is complete, you'll get a notification. Press Done. Now, just go ahead and then try copying your backup files along with any other files. It should work just fine. That's all. Thanks.